So in this video we will learn how to write sra a, sra I, sra o, sra a and sra o. So first with sra a. Sra a, sra I, sra a with sra a, it sounds sra I, sra I, sra I, sra u, sra o, sorry, sra o, sra o and sra a, it calls sra o. Sra a, sra a and sra a, sra a, and sra o. Sra a, sra I, sra o, sra a and sra o.